What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to let WPBakery Page Builder editor works on custom post types. Let me show you a problem. If I go to my About Us page on my site, I can see the button Edit with WPBakery. I can click on it and I'm gonna be able to edit with the plugin, okay? Using the plugin features. Even the front-end editor, in the case that I want, or the backend editor, where I can apply some elements, some places, okay? Or edit the page into the front of the site. Maybe like Elementor, okay? But if I go to my WordPress posts, for example, my blog posts, and try and see no editor, but I would like to edit my blog posts with the WPBakery. Or maybe if you go to your WooCommerce products, and you would like to do the description of your products using WPBakery Page Builder, and you can do this as well. How to fix it, okay? This is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, and review the left sidebar of menus. Hover your mouse over WPBakery Page Builder, and click into the submenu Rule Manager. Once on Rule Manager, review the administrator, that is the first rule. I'm gonna assume that you are the website administrator, but you can customize this for editor, user, contributor, every site level, okay? Your is probably pages only or disabled, okay? Change for custom. And once on custom, you can choose in what post types the plugin gonna work. I want that the plugin work in my blog posts. I want that the plugin work in my WooCommerce products. I want that the plugin work in my portfolio. I want that the plugin work in my theme, okay? After this, I'm gonna scroll down, hit the Save Change button. Now, if I go to my posts on the blog, or to my WooCommerce products, I'm gonna be able to see the plugin working. Here we go, WPBakery Page Builder. I can load the classic editor, and of course I can use the plugin backend and the plugin front end options. Same for WooCommerce products, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out Visualmodo portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. Bye. To edit with WPBakery.